Hi, welcome to an overview of an app prototyping workshop where your students will start with a challenge and create an app solution to your challenge. My name is Kasia and I am a STEM teacher in Chicago Public Schools. Challenge-based learning asks learners to identify big ideas, ask good questions, discover, and solve challenges. We start our workshop by learning what is a prototype and have students share their ideas. Throughout the whole process of creating an app, students will brainstorm, plan, create a prototype of an app, and evaluate their solution. Here are the challenges I presented my students with. However, these are completely up to you. You can create your own challenges. Let's take a moment and look at the challenges presented to us. You can see each challenge is framed with a big idea, asks an essential question, and then sets a challenge. We spend time using a variety of free resources to analyze these and pick one that really stands out to the student. After they identify their challenge, they will use an app design journal created by Apple to guide their work. We will identify the problem they wish to investigate, begin to form possible solutions, and make a plan for the project. Here's a brief overview of the app design journal. The project progression is divided into 4 sections. First, students think about the purpose of the app, their ideas, targeted audience, and focus. Then they create a plan. They learn about the user experience, user interface, design features like Wi-Fi, location services, keyboard, camera, and anything else they want integrated in their app. They continue by spending a big portion of the class creating the prototype. They begin with storyboarding and making a visual plan and layout of their app. If iPads are available, I use Keynote to teach students how to create it. If Apple devices are not available, I use Google Slides to create an app with a similar effect. Finally, they evaluate if their solutions solve the challenge they were presented with. They review apps made by their classmates and get any feedback possible to improve their app. An additional resource will be an app pitch, which they can create using Apple Clips. So here is the overview. Over the course of a quarter, they will pick one of the challenges, begin to brainstorm solution, identify an idea of an app, storyboard the app, and begin a prototype of their app. Remember, in the end, it's the experience that matters and not the final product. They all start with no previous background knowledge, and we learned all the tools and skills together. This can be applied to any grade level. I use this project with 6th to 8th grader students, but it can be started as early as 4th graders. It's appropriate for any subject, as the challenges you create can be turned into anything that fits the content for your curriculum. So here are some app prototype examples my students created in the past. This student created an emergency 911 app for the elderly. He incorporated a lot of different screens in his design, and all of the buttons that you can see are functional. So within Keynote, if he presses the call emergency, it will take him to a different screen that would allow him to do that. I hope this app prototyping workshop overview from challenge to solution has given you an idea and you'll be able to join us during our live sessions.